A deadly heatwave continues to grip parts of Europe today, with the UK the latest country to record its hottest ever June day. Heat warnings have been issued in more than a dozen countries, including Ireland, affecting tens of millions of people. In western France, thousands of homes remain without power a day after the country recorded its highest ever temperature.
From France to Spain
a rare red warning for extreme heat across parts
to Britain and beyond, Europe is sweltering.
It's horrible this heat. You're outside all day, there's no let up, there's no shade.
I thought to myself this morning, before it gets too hot, I'm going to go for a little walk. But I was already at my limit.
This historic heat wave has already broken records across parts of the continent, closing schools, impacting rail transport, and contributing to the deaths of dozens of people. And still it continues. In Britain, for only the second time ever, health authorities have issued a rare red heat health alert. It warns of a risk to life for the ill and elderly, and even the healthy too. Today, the UK recorded its hottest ever June day at 36 degrees. But temperatures could reach 40 in the coming days.
It's so important that people heed the warnings that we're hearing today and the next day in terms of their own health and safety during this heat event.
In France, tens of thousands of households are without electricity in the west of the country after a transformer on the grid exploded as a result of the extreme temperatures. It came just hours after the country recorded its hottest ever day. And Italy too is feeling the effects, with the highest heat alert issued for 16 cities, including Rome, Milan and Verona. Altogether, around 94 million people were expected to experience temperatures above 35 degrees in Western Europe today. An exceptional and deadly weather event, which scientists say has been made significantly more intense by climate change. Kate Varley, RTE News.
Well, here Met Éireann is forecasting historic high temperatures for tomorrow, with over 30 degrees expected in some parts of the country. A plume of hot and humid air is moving towards Ireland from mainland Europe, which meteorologists warn will make for uncomfortable conditions. Well, we can hear now from our reporter Dimitri O'Donnell, who is at Sea Point Beach in South Dublin. Dimitri, it already looks sunny and hot there this evening, but Met Éireann warning that there's a lot hotter to come.
That's right, Brian. Tomorrow is likely to be an extremely hot day right across Ireland, with temperatures forecast of up to 31 degrees in parts of the Midlands and Connacht. And these balmy conditions are likely to push those temperatures even beyond that, up to about 33 degrees, according to Met Éireann, which is reaching record-breaking levels that were last set in County Kilkenny almost 140 years ago. And the reason behind this is this warm mass of hot air, the so-called heat dome, which has arrived from Europe. That means a yellow high temperature alert has been put in place for every county in Ireland, and that remains in place until Friday. Now, as you can see behind me, lots of people here at Sea Point are out taking advantage of this hot weather, sea swimming and bathing, and water safety warnings have been issued due to the increased use of beaches and lakes. Earlier, I spoke to Met Éireann's Linda Hughes, who had more details on what's to come.
For tomorrow, Thursday, it's going to be the hottest day of the week, and Met Éireann are forecasting temperatures of 27 to 32 degrees Celsius. In some parts of the Midlands and West, it could get even higher than that. The highest recorded temperature in Ireland is 33.3 degrees Celsius, and that was recorded in 1887 in County Kilkenny. So there is a chance that we will see temperatures higher than that tomorrow.
So be prepared for those hot, balmy temperatures over the coming days. There's also warnings been issued around heat stress, and that's due to the uncomfortable sleeping conditions that many people are experiencing at night time in these tropical nighttime temperatures. But Met Éireann say things will take a bit of a slide on Friday, with showers due to move into the country on Friday, which will bring in cooler temperatures. So do enjoy this hot spell while it lasts.
Absolutely. Dimitri O'Donnell for us this evening at Sea Point Beach in Dublin. Thank you.
Well, for the latest on the situation on the continent, we can speak to a Paris-based journalist, Morgan Eyre, who joins us live from Paris. Morgan, temperatures there in Paris and in other locations exceeding 40 degrees. It's hard to imagine. How has the heat been impacting people in France?
Yes, it is an absolute scorcher here in Paris. It's been hovering around 38, 39 all day today. It's deeply unpleasant. I'm actually standing on the banks of the Seine, which in the middle of June during World Cup season, you would think would be jam-packed. There are very, very few people along this, if anyone at all. People are definitely staying inside. They're staying in the shade. They're trying to keep cool. I've got friends that are covering their windows with tin foil to try and keep the heat out. People are bringing large AC units up several flights of stairs